How to add headers or footers in Google Sheets. Here are a few ways to add headers and footers in Google Sheets, using the Header and Footer tool *1. Go to Insert Header and Footer. 2. Select an option from the drop-down for header or footer, e.g. page number, date, file path, etc. 3. Click Apply to add it. 4. Customize the text, font, size as needed. Inserting text boxes *1. Insert a text box at the top or bottom of a sheet. 2. Type or insert the desired header/footer text and format it. 3. Go to text box option set as header or set as footer. Using app script *1. Create a custom function to add headers/footers. 2. Call the function from the sheet or set a trigger to run it automatically. 3. The script can insert text, images, page numbers, current date, etc. Tips *. Headers/footers are fixed when scrolling. Use page breaks to divide long sheets. You can add different headers/footers for first page, even and odd pages. Headers and footers are not visible in print preview but will print. You can link headers/footers across multiple sheets. So in summary, the built-in header and footer tool provides basic options while text boxes and app script allow for advanced customization.